Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to part 2 of the learning Arabic alphabet. So previously, in last clip, if you remember, we talked about the 4 letters. A, which is a straight line going down. The boat shape with a dot underneath, which was the ba, bottom, ba. The ta, which is a boat shape with like 2 teeth, 2 rabbit teeth, ta. And then you have the boat shape with the 3, tha, 3, tha. And we also mentioned about the fatha vowel. So if you have a fatha vowel on each of these, then the sound produced would be a, ba, ta, and tha. Right, today we're going to be doing the other sounds out there, which are the what we call the kasra. So here we have the kasra is a short line underneath each letter. So this small line which is slightly diagonal going down below each letter. So whenever you get this line below any letter, then the sound pronounced, it's a sound like this. So it would be E, E, and the B, B, and T, T, and Fi. Fi. Remember that three sound? Fi. So E, B, T, Fi. Make sure the sound is short. So E, B, T, and Fi. So let's have a go at combining these together then. So let's say, for example, we have this shape, and we have this shape, okay, and we have this shape. So okay, so we have like this, and each one has this line underneath. Okay, so how would we pronounce this? We would say B, T, T, B, T, T, B, T, T. And let's say we change this into a 3 dots. How would we pronounce this? We say B, Fi, T, B, Fi, T. Okay, so let's have a go now at trying to use other symbols, or the fatha symbol we learnt last week, and trying to apply that to this. So let's say I was to say something like this is a bit of a tricky one, so have a go. Ba, fi, ta, ba, fi, ta. Okay, so let's write this down. So ba, remember last clip, ba, and thi as above, and ta, ba, thi, ta. Okay, let's have one more go. Let's remove all of these symbols. Let's get rid of those dots as well. Maybe we'll get rid of that as well. Okay, so here goes. And the middle one, let's make it like that. Okay, so how would you pronounce that? We say T, A, ba. T, A, ba. What you can do is, if you have an exercise book, maybe get a pen, try writing these out, try practicing this. Very good way this is of learning the Arabic alphabet as well. Sticks in the head as well. So have a go, give it a shot, inshallah. The next video we're going to practice the third form of the vowels. Okay, so we've done 2 so far. Remember the last one was called the fatha. This one, the line below the letters is known as a kasra. Now you don't have to remember these. It's not important to remember the names of these. What is important, the sounds that they give. Right, so a, ba, ta, tha was last clip, and I, bi, ti, fi. Hope that makes sense, guys. Please leave any comments, suggestions. If you like this clip, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and inshallah I'll be posting the next clip up very soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.